How to update Orbot to the latest version. Are you guys facing issues to update Orbot to the latest version? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To keep Orbot working smoothly, open the Google Play Store on your mobile device. Once you open the Google Play Store, now just simply tap on source icon and search for Orbot. Once you click on Orbot, if an update button appears on the app, just simply tap on Orbot. If it says open instead of update, you are already using the latest version of this application. After updating, open Orbot and check that onion icon still connects to Tor. Updating ensures you get the latest security fixes, bugs, features, and better network for Tor performance. And that's it, guys. That's how we're gonna update Orbot to the latest version. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.